Hi, Evelise. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Are you ready for some math?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so today we're going to work on fractions like we've been working on for a little while. Okay, so today we're going to work on improper fractions and mixed fractions because we've talked about those before, but we haven't spent a whole lot of time on them. So we're going to do that today, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so let's get to work. Let's take a look at our notebook. When we have a proper fraction, it would be something like 1/2 or 1/2. What tells us that this is a proper fraction is that the numerator, right here, our top number, is smaller than our denominator. Okay?
Yeah.
So when we have a fraction that looks like this, with our numerator being smaller and our denominator being larger, this is what we call a proper fraction. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so now an improper fraction, what do you think that could be? If a proper fraction, the numerator is smaller than the denominator, what would an improper fraction be, do you think?
The top number would be larger and the small number would go on the bottom.
You got it. What do we call that top number?
A denominator?
Our numerator. Remember, denominator goes on the bottom?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So if our fraction looked like this, and we had 12/2, this would be an improper fraction, just like you said. So this is improper fraction. And so in this case, our numerator is larger and our denominator is smaller. Okay?
Yes.
So this is an improper fraction. Now over here, we have a mixed. You got it. This one's a mixed fraction. Now what's different about this mixed fraction than our proper and improper fractions?
This one has a hole.
You've got it, exactly. So we have a whole number, right? And then let's take a look at the fraction side. What do you see about the fraction side?
Our numerator is small.
Yeah, our numerator is smaller and our denominator is the larger number. So we've already looked at number 1 here and we've decided that it's 3 1/3. What kind of fraction is 3 1/3?
A mixed fraction.
Perfect. Now let's figure out what the improper fraction for this example might be. So to do that, how many pieces are in each of these circles?
3.
3. So that's going to be our denominator. Oh, look at you. You're on it. Now, that's going to be our denominator. So what do you think our numerator is going to be?
10.
Yeah. All right. These ones don't give us a whole lot of room, but that's okay. So let's take a look at number 8. What's our mixed fraction here for number 8?
It is 2 and 1.
Look at you go. Great job.
Okay. 2 and
Yes, you've got it. That was me giving myself a high five for you. All right. How are we feeling? Thumbs up, thumbs down?
Good.
Good? Okay.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up? Okay, we are going to work on this a little bit more. Okay, we'll do that next session. For now, we're going to skip. So for now, we're going to skip to taking a look at how to convert between an improper fraction to a mixed fraction. Okay, and then we'll work on the shapes a little bit more next time. Okay. All right. In order to convert an improper fraction to a mixed fraction, we have to do some math. Yeah, but it's okay. It's really easy math. Do you think you can handle it?
I don't know.
I think you can because you were doing a really good job with division, right?
Yes.
So all we need to do to figure out if we have an improper fraction like this one here, and we want to make it a mixed fraction like this one here, we just need to do some division. And you're not bad at division, are you?
No.
No, you're pretty good at division. So all you need to do is we're going to take our numerator and we're going to put that first in our division question. So we're going to say 11 divided by our denominator, so 4. Okay? So how many groups of 4 can we make out of the number 11? Well, we can make 2 groups, and then we have 3 left over, right? Remainder of 3. So
Yes.
yeah, so 2, that's our whole number, right? 2.
Yeah.
Then we have 3 left over. So that becomes our new numerator. So we have 3 pieces left. And then our denominator, well, that's just the same denominator we were already using, 4. Okay, so 11 over 4 becomes 2 3/4.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think about that?
Good.
Okay, now let's try a couple examples. So for number 3, what is going to be the first part of our new equation?
20
Excellent.
equals.
Perfect. Now we can count by 6 and see how close we can get to 20 without going over, right?
Yeah.
So every time we count, hold up a finger. So 6.
6, 12, 18.
18. Now, are we pretty close to 20?
Yes.
Are we going to be able to add on another 6? Okay, very, very close. It's not 8, though. How many fingers are you holding up?
Oh.
6, 12, 18. How many fingers are you holding up?
3.
Yeah. There you go. 3 remainder 2. Perfect. So, look at you. You've got it. I didn't even have to give you a clue. Woo, nice job. All right. Okay, let's see what you can do with number 5.
12, 18. We can only get to 18.
Okay, so how many fingers do you hold up when you count up to 18 by 6?
4,
Not 4.
5.
No. Count with
3.
me. 6, 12,
Oh,
18. 3.
Wait, hold on. 18, 22, 22, 4, okay, 3, 1, 4, 6.
Nice. Great job. So, is that hard?
No.
No. So you've just converted a bunch of improper fractions to mixed fractions. How do you feel about that?
Good.
Good. So it wasn't too hard?
No, it was not too hard.
No. Good. You're doing an excellent job with that. I am super excited to see that. So our next session, we're going to practice that a bit more, and then we'll work on doing it the other way. So if we have a mixed fraction, how do we make it into an improper fraction? And it's just as easy. It's probably even a little bit easier. Okay? Okay, so how do you feel you did today?
Good.
Good? I think so too. I am super proud of you. You did an excellent job. And I like how your division skills are coming along too. I think you're doing a good job with that, right? Yeah?
Thanks.
You're welcome. You're working hard. I love it.
Okay. Bye, Becky.
Bye, Evelise. I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.